Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I am going to discuss about from one code or OTP to stronger security, a new era of digital payments. In today's fast-paced digital world, online transactions have become a part of everyday life. From paying utility bills to shopping online, from transferring money through UPI to using debit and credit cards, everything happens within seconds. For years, on simple system stood as the gatekeeper of financial security, the OTP, or one-time password. It was quick, easy, and widely trusted. But over time, cracks began to appear. The growing concern. With the rapid rise in digital payments, cyber frauds also started increasing. Fraudsters developed new methods, phishing calls, fake messages, SIM swap scams, and social engineering tricks to deceive users into sharing their OTPs. Once the OTP was shared, transactions could be completed instantly. People began losing their hard earned money within minutes. The biggest realization was this: OTP alone was no longer enough to ensure safety. A major change introduced. To tackle this growing threat and strengthen digital payment security, the Reserve Bank of India introduced new guidelines. These new rules came into effect from 1st April 2026. The key message was clear: OTP-only transactions would no longer be valid for financial operations. What exactly changed? Under the new system, every online transaction now requires two-factor authentication (2FA). This means OTP will still be used, but not alone. An additional verification layer is mandatory. Thus, this second layer can include biometric authentications, fingerprint, or face recognition, secure token-based approval, or risk-based authentications checks based on user behavior, device, or location. This ensures that even if someone gets access to the OTP, they cannot complete the transaction without the second verification. Where do these rules apply? The new security system applies across major digital payment platforms, including net banking transactions, UPI payments, credit and debit card payments, online shopping, and small value transactions. In short, almost every form of digital financial activity now follows enhanced security protocols. Why were these rules implemented? The objective behind these changes is simple but crucial: to prevent fraud and phishing attacks, to stop SIM swap and OTP theft scams, to enhance consumer safety, to improve transparency and trust in digital payments. As digital adoption grows, ensuring user protection becomes equally important. What should users do now? With the new rules in place, users are also expected to take a few important steps. Update banking and payment apps regularly, enable biometric authentications wherever available, use secure token-based approvals for transactions, stay alert and never share OTPs with anyone. Educate family members, especially elders, about digital safety. A new mindset for a digital future. This change marks a significant shift from convenience-only systems to security-first digital banking. Transactions may take an extra second, but they are now far more secure. The responsibility is shared. Banks provide stronger systems, users practice smarter habits. Together, they create a safer digital ecosystem. Conclusion. The introduction of these new rules from 1st April 2026 is not just a policy update. It is a necessary step towards protecting millions of users in an increasingly digital economy. The era of relying on single OTP is over. A stronger, smarter, and more secure system has begun. Disclaimer: this content is created for general awareness and informational purposes only regarding digital payment safety and recent changes in authentication practices. While efforts have been made to present accurate and up-to-date information related to guidelines introduced by the Reserve Bank of India, viewers are advised to verify details through official bank notifications, RBI circulars, or authorized financial institutions. This content does not constitute financial, legal, or professional advice. The implementation and applicability of security measures such as two-factor authentications, biometric verifications, or token-based systems may vary depending on individual banks, payment platforms, and user settings. Viewers are strongly advised to never share OTPs, PINs, or confidential banking details with anyone. Stay cautious of phishing calls, messages, and fraudulent links. Follow official guidelines issued by banks and regulatory authorities. The creator shall not be held responsible for any loss, damage, or inconvenience arising from the use or reliance on this information. Thank you very much for your patience. Request to like, subscribe, and share.